Like, watch out, you cut off queue. Yo, you hear the echo, dog? Aston Martin Mew. You turn on your heated seats? You're freezing, huh? No. That boy cold.
No. Cool.
You gonna launch it?
You know, cool and heat feel good. Cool and heat.
Maybe a little bit.
Why on your window there? Wanna see you? Bounty killer styling thing. I think I record.
You gotta put in 30 frames per second.
Look at Q, guys. Look at Q, look at Q. Run left that, Q, run left that. Oh, shift. Shift. I got too excited there, guys. Oh, that Q. Which one? In that mirror. Only a little bit higher. Oh yeah. It's a perfect boy. You hear the shift, dog? It's super cold, guys. I hope the video sound good. I love the upshifts while you're on the gas. But if you really want a good upshift, you gotta be fully on the gas.
No, it's more
Water. Never floor it over water, guys. Unless you do it on purpose. I can't wait to hear this shit in the tunnel, guys. And we're about to, let me turn off traction. You're cute, dog. You first. You first. Holy shit.
30.
No, that was 100. One more time. You get it up? Again. That was fun.
That should have been like, I feel like 130.
No, that was 100. I guess it's because it's such a small car. It feels like it's going a lot faster than it is. What was that? Yo, this shit sounded sick. It was echoing on both walls. Machine sounded pretty sweet. You ready? All right. I'ma go. Wait, we have to under a certain speed. with the carriage. Do I drift with the top down, though? Nope.
Oh, sorry.
No, in the behind now, but like way behind now. Guys, I'm trying to put up the top. It's cold. I'll put it up right there as a dog. It's cold out here in these streets. It's cold out here in these streets, boy. Hey, like my drift. You heard the pop. Up the windows, guys. Caution, sweepers ahead. What is that dog do? Ladies and gents, the battery's low. My daughter keep on saying, "Daddy, come inside." I'm on my balcony. Okay, overlooking the water. You can see downtown, depending on how good this camera quality is, all the way down there downtown. You can see the Hard Rock Stadium. Oh, the light is. Oh yeah, the light is on. That light that goes all the way up in the sky. That's the Hard Rock Stadium light. Malia, why you turn off the light, bro? Don't do it. Stop. But yeah, I'm gonna end off the video. It was an eventful night with the Mustang. The camera died like 2 times, so I didn't get to end it all properly. But the Mustang is in the garage. The key is in my hand. Started off the day with a Tesla, dropped it off, jumped in a Corvette. It blew up. And well, I'm not sure if it blew up, but it was smoking a lot, so I didn't want to push it after the little push that we did. So we got the Stang. And yeah, we're ending off the night with a Stang, man. And it was also my baby's party, so everything in one. But yeah, God make it work, man. Haven't talked about God in this video. Thought I was gonna miss it. Come on now, it's coming. I love God. I love Jesus. Tomorrow's church, actually. Today's a Saturday. Tomorrow's church. But you've probably seen this video way in the future. Told you I'm gonna be consistent, and God's been blessing me to have the correct mindset, the correct drive to be consistent, to try and produce this content for y'all. It's not with my personal cars, but with cars. He's been handing them to me. He's been giving me ideas. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. The blessing of God, He's gonna keep on blessing us as long as we keep on, you know. Well, it doesn't matter what you do, He gonna bless you. But if you go His way, He can never fail. And I don't know about you, but I'm never gonna fail. Why? Because I got God with me. As I said, if you don't believe in Jesus, that's on you. But at least look into it, man. It might change your mind. Yeah. It's been an eventful night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Look at the stars, look at the satellites, look at the plane flying by. Deuces. Bye.